This one is our first bedroom. So the
Is
cabinet...
This will be
is
your
included
master's?
No, sir.
Not yet.
Secondary bedroom pa lang siya. Later, we will go to the master bedroom.
Oh. And this where really magic happens. This is where... Oh.
Okay.
Inopen ko lang siya kasi so that they could also see the view.
Yes. For all of our units naman, whatever orientation, well thought of yung view of the unit. This one is facing the mall and then the clubhouse. Tapos, sige, you can go inside. You'll see the cabinet. This one is already included also.
I've noticed that their window is very wide.
Yes, sir.
Oo.
So that's also, para the space will look bigger pa. And as you can see, the bed is malaki na rin. So
Queen?
we can... No, sir. I think this is
Double.
Sure kung anong size nito. But this is not a queen size. Double size na to. But the double size bed can fit comfortably here. Na.
Okay. Ganda.
Yes, sir.
How about the cabinets?
The cabinet is also included.
Yes. Yun yung
You have storage space na rin. At least you don't need to worry about that. Talagang gamit na lang, sir, upon turnover.
Okay.